Welcome. My name's Elizabeth, and I'll be walking you through my MissingInk app today. My goal in creating this app was to provide a safe and comfortable space for users to discover new designs, ideas, and artists. This will also help grow businesses by increasing their access to clientele. My goals in beginning my research were to understand how users normally search for tattoo designs and artists and what they felt was missing in their journeys. Conducting a user survey allowed me to reach out to a variety of people, including those who have never gotten a tattoo before. One of the biggest lessons I learned was that it's not just fear of pain that was stopping people, but lack of knowledge. Open and honest communication needed to be factored into my app design. I was then able to formulate specific interview questions. I interviewed 3 people with varying amounts of tattoos already to see what their wants and needs are and what pain points they have come across when getting their tattoos. Analyzing this information allowed me to create user personas. These were my constant guides throughout the entire process, aiding in my user flows and journeys. In order to refine my sitemap, I conducted an open card sort. This valuable feedback came from everyday app users and helped me identify my main home screen categories, such as having a separate option for looking at studios instead of lumping it together with artists. With my first iteration ready, I conducted 6 moderated usability tests. This immediately identified issues and pain points, such as confusing icons. I went to work on the most pressing usability issues first. After several iterations, I conducted a few A/B tests. One was focused on font and color. This test helped me find a more professional look for MissingInk. After all, users want to know the person permanently marking their body takes their job seriously. As you can see, my low and mid-fidelity wireframes had far too many onboarding screens. User testing showed that this needed to be trimmed down to the most basic info and completely separate login for professionals. Throughout my iterations, icons were constantly being tested and changed to make sure they were as recognizable as can be to the majority of my audience. Thanks to rigorous user testing, my latest mockup is more concise, visual, and user-friendly.